Hello everyone. In our last video, we saw what is linear equation in one variable. We understood what is expression, what is equation, we understood what is variable, and we also understood why a linear equation is called linear. In this video, we will revise our understanding of how to solve a linear equation. We have learned in our earlier standards about simple equations, and we have learned the methods to solve simple equations. Those methods apply even in these cases. So let's revise how to solve simple equations. Now we talked about three methods when we learned about simple equations. We talked about method called trial and error. Then we talked about a method called cancellation. And finally, we spoke about transposition. Let's look at each method separately. So let's first look at trial and error method. If we have an equation 2x plus 3 is equal to 7, if I want to solve this equation, I first assume that x is equal to some value. So in this case, let me assume x is equal to 1. If x is equal to 1, what would be the value of left hand side? So LHS would be 2 into 1 plus 3, and that is equal to 2 plus 3, which is equal to 5. Is LHS equal to RHS? No. X is equal to 1 is not solution. So let's now take x is equal to 2. Take x is equal to 2 and we'll see. So now in this case, LHS is equal to 2 into 2 plus 3. That is equal to 4 plus 3, which is equal to 7. And we got LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore, x is equal to 2 is the solution. In this case, we found the solution in 2 steps, but it may take many steps before we reach the solution because it's a trial and error. We don't know. Although there are some ways where we can reach faster, but still it takes time. This is a lengthy method. So then we went on to the cancellation. So the cancellation method, what we do, we use the concept of seesaw. On a seesaw, if I have to keep the seesaw balanced, I have to ensure that on both the sides, I have to keep the same weight. If I'm reducing a weight from one side, I have to reduce the equivalent weight from the other side. If I'm adding the weight on one side, I have to add equivalent weight on the other side. So I have to perform the same action on both the sides to ensure my seesaw stays balanced. Now here, this equation is just like a seesaw. We have a left hand side and we have a right hand side, and in between this equal to sign indicates the balance. Now if I want to reduce or add something on this right hand side, I have to reduce or add the exact amount on the left hand side. We use this concept to come to our solution. So what we have here is, if I have 2x plus 3, I want to know the value of x. So I'll want to keep x as it is and get rid of all other numbers or all other terms in this expression this side. So I'll keep 2x as it is first, and I will get rid of 3 by doing minus 3. But if I'm doing minus 3 on left hand side, I have to do minus 3 on the right hand side also. So therefore what we get is here 2x, because plus 3 minus 3 gets cancelled, and here we get 4. Now I want to get rid of 2. To get rid of 2 and just x should remain, so I have to divide this by 2. Therefore 2x divided by 2 is equal to 4 divided by 2, because I also have to perform the same action on this side. So which gives me x is equal to 2. So I get the solution, I get a definite solution in certain number of steps. Here I am not guessing the solution, I am moving towards the right solution by cancelling all the extra terms which I have other than my variable. Cancellation method is a very good method to learn about how to solve simple equations. But we have a more efficient method in transposition. It uses all the learnings from cancellation and reduces the number of steps. In transposition, the unwanted terms are sent to the other side, and when they go other side, they change their operation. So if it is plus here, they become subtraction. If it is multiplication here, they become division. If it is division here, they go here and become multiplication. If it is subtraction here, they go here and become addition. So you can remember this method as transfer and oppose. So here we will get rid of 3. We'll send 3 on the other side. It is plus here, so when it goes here, it becomes subtraction, minus. Therefore, what we get is 2x is equal to 4. Now here, this 2 goes that side and it becomes, here this 2 is multiplication. So when it goes that side, it becomes division. So it becomes division, and therefore what we get is x is equal to 2. Now if you compare transposition and cancellation, they are very close methods. When we have large sums, transposition method reduces the number of steps and reaches the solution in a definite time. We are positively moving towards solution. So what we are going to do is we are going to make use of transposition method wherever possible. This is not all what we have in linear equations. We have many other videos. Do watch other videos also to understand linear equations completely. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon so that you can get notifications when we add a new video. Let's meet in our next video. Till then, bye bye.